Upgrade your car's visibility with the 5-inch electronic rearview mirror system. Featuring IP67 night vision cameras and crystal-clear HD display. All-weather clarity. IP67 waterproof side cameras withstand rain, dust, and harsh conditions. Night vision captures details in total darkness. Drive safely 24/7. 5-inch HD display. 800 by 480 resolution IPS panel delivers sharp images. AHD Dual Mode, AHD1/AHD2, switches seamlessly for optimal quality in any light. DIY installation, no professional help needed. Plug-and-play design mounts on any vehicle. DC 12V, 24V compatibility for cars, trucks, and vans. Blind spot elimination, dual cameras cover side and rear views. On rainy days or poor lighting, see what traditional mirrors miss, critical for safe lane changes. Smart controls, mirror image switching, multi-language OSD, English, Chinese, Russian, Korean, Japanese, and 87 degrees per 62 degrees viewing angles. Note: enhances but doesn't replace OEM mirrors. For drivers who demand all-weather visibility without complex installation, this is the ultimate safety upgrade. Explore it on Aliexpress, where clarity meets innovation.